Hi, my name is Jessica Reyes and welcome to Toyota Talks with me. Oh, this is awesome. So we have a question from Helen. Which Toyota is your favorite? I love them all, but I do love a Camry. I actually owned several Camrys. I even owned an Echo that I just sold. I'll talk about throwback or way back Wednesday. So I love all Toyotas, but definitely the Camry. Okay, so George wants to know, why isn't Mr. Toyota live in the commercials anymore? Because he's a diva. No, he's not a diva, but we didn't allow him to wear shades and stuff outside. So he's like, no, unless it's indoor or I can wear my shades, then I can't be there next to Jessica. Okay, I'll win him over eventually. Dwight wants to know, what's your go-to comfort food? What isn't? I love all kinds of food. Like, I love cheesesteaks, I love pizza. Always like the ultimate, my favorite, free food. If it's free, honey, it's comforting. Like, I love to eat. That's me, believe it or not. And then I diet before the commercials. So Matt wants to know, what's so different about the 2019 Toyota RAV4? Well, where do I start? The 2019 RAV4 is completely redesigned. It's a new model, so it is bello. I think it deserves 2 snaps for that. It's also a lot sportier, both inside and out. More room for children, or in my case, for children too, but for shopping. You know, I need space for all those boxes of shoes when I go out there. Now, you're probably thinking, the fuel efficiency. No worries. It's got better fuel efficiency than the 2018 Model 2. It gets 26 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Not only that, it offers an all-wheel drive option and updated technology like Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, so how about that? So how do I know if I need an oil change? Miss Celeste wants to know. Well, first of all, your oil light should come on the dash. Also, you can check your mileage to see if you're due. Now, if you're still not sure, and I know because it's happened to me before, you can pop the hood and check the oil dipstick. If the oil is dark brown or black, or the oil level is in between the 2 tick marks, well, you need an oil change, and that's where our techs can help you out. Okay, that's it. So that concludes January's Toyota Talks. See you next time.